Hi, my name is Mary. This is a beautiful day in Junction City. I would like to show you a 2020 Sundance. It's a 283 RB. So what I like about this unit is the solid step entry. As you're coming in, you just get a really solid step. And as you go into this unit, you can see that there's a lot of privacy. There are 2 bathrooms. One is a full bath, the other is a half bath, and that has a bunk room with it. So you've got lots of privacy in this unit. There's a really big slide, very deep, with a couch and a dinette. The kitchen has a huge pantry right next to the fridge. There's a very deep sink, enough room to fill a very large pot. This unit could easily sleep 8 people. With 2 bathrooms, you will have a nice bonus there. The outside of this unit has a full awning, which is going to help you stay covered and dry when you're outside. You also have outside speakers. There are 2 entrances to this unit, so one is in the bedroom and one walks into the kitchen area. Okay, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would love to help you. My name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. Thanks so much.